Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video I want to show you a little crochet tip known as the ultimate finish. So this is great for if you're doing amigurumis and you want to finish them off and want that perfect neat finish. For example, looking at one of my mascots here, this little guy, I finished him with an ultimate finish. As you can see, it's pretty neat. I did overstuff them a little bit, that's why there's so many bumps, but it is a very neat way of finishing off your projects. So moving on, I want to show you something I made a few years ago, and this is before I knew how to do the ultimate finish. This is a phosphor slime from the fantastic game Slime Rancher. Now, I didn't know how to do the ultimate finish, so I just kind of got my needle and whip stitched it closed, and as you can see it's pretty messy, so I want to show you how to do it neater. I'll pop him there. So I actually have a worry pet, another one of these that I'm currently making, and I'm ready to sew him closed. So next I'm going to take my embroidery needle, known as a tapestry needle. These are great, every crochet needs one. They're not sharp, perfect for sewing with yarn. So now we've threaded that up. The trick to the ultimate finish is to thread your needle between the stitches, between the front loop and the back loop. So I'm going to work around my magic circle. I'm going to go through the middle of these stitches, each and every one. Just a quick work around every single one, going through the middle of the stitches. See? So I'm grabbing hold of the back loop with my embroidery needle. So because this is made with a finishing ring of 8, I'll be putting 8 stitches in here. I also like to hold the tail as I'm going, just to keep the stitches nice and tight. So we're grabbing hold of that back loop and threading the needle between the front and back loop. I'll do just one more for good measure. So when I've worked around this finishing circle, next all I'm going to do is pull, 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 nice and tight. Nice and tight. So next I'm just going to quickly pop a knot on there. A very tight knot, so that will not come undone. And now to hide this knot, I'm just going to sew it through the back and pull that tight. So now I can snip this off, and that is how you do an ultimate finish. It's perfect for finishing off amigurumis, so you get that nice flush end. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helps you, and I hope to see you in another video. Thanks again. Bye.